Now, shh. Okay, guys. Oh, sorry. What's the description of the question? Is it mean, mode, median? Okay, mean, mode, median. Okay, mean, mode, median. Okay. Shh. The mean is you draw lines like this, and what these lines mean is that you're multiplying. This means 6 people got 0, which is 0 in total. 8 people got 1 is 8 in total. 20, 21, 12, 25, 24. Somebody on the calculator for these? Or somebody's already got the answer, but even better. Now, that's how much points we've scored in total. How many people are there? We have to add all the frequency together. So we have to add all these together. And what do you get when you add all them together? You get more than 10. Okay, 14, 24, 31, 34, 39, 43, 45, 46. What's the top number going to be? And we get the top number? That's all 141. And 141 divided by 46. 3.065. Lads, does that seem like a reasonable number? 3.065? 3 is roughly there. You have 24 people below, roughly 20 something people above. 3 seems reasonable. Okay. Next one. What's the mode, Jordan? Mode? No. The mode means the most common answer. It's the number 2 because it happened 10 times. So the mode is 2. What's the median, Alex? Quiet, please. Shh. How many people is there in total? So does that mean a middle 1 or a middle 2? So divided by 2 and you get 23rd and 24th. Where is the location of the 23rd and 24th person? It's 2. Now how does he know that? The first 6 are 0. The next 8 are 1. That's 14. 14 plus 10 is 24. 24 people score 2 and below. That means 23 and 24 are both going to be 2. Median is 2. Okay, everybody happy enough with that? Yeah, look well alive, yeah, good. Thank you. Now, shh. Now, sorry. Value, okay. Shh. So value and frequency, a dice is thrown, or die being the singular, one die, is thrown 40 times, and the frequency of each score was shown as follows. What is the median score? So 40 times divided by 2 gets me 20 and 21st. Where is 20 and 21 in this list? The first 14 are 2 and below. The first 25 are 3 and below, which means the median score will be 3. Because both 20 and 21 scored 3. Okay. And what is the modal score? 4. Okay. Calculate the mean of these scores. 7 plus 14 plus 24 plus 36 plus 25 plus 24. All divided by 40. What does that come out to be? Sorry? 3.25? So you add the top together, divide by 40. What do you get? Same thing? 3.25. Okay. Now, the die was then thrown another 10 times. The mean of these 10 throws was 3.5. Calculate the overall mean for 50 throws. So, here's the problem. Okay? If I multiply this by 40, what happens? If I multiply 3.25 by 40, what happens? It's like an undo button. It gives me the total of the scores as opposed to the average. So 3.25 multiply by 40, 130. Is everybody happy enough with that? So, in the previous part, all of this together would have added up to be 130. We would have divided it by 40 to get 3.25. Now we have 130 points total. What happens when you have 10 people averaging 3.5? How much points is that in total? Each one of them is 3.5. 35. Because 10 multiplied by 3.5 gets you 35. So there's 35 extra points to be added into consideration. And what are we dividing them by now? 40 or 50? It's amongst 50 people. So 165 divided by 50, 3.3. Were we expecting it to bring up the average? Were we expecting it to bring up the average? Why? Because the average of them was 3.5. Our average before that was 3.25. The estimated answer should be bigger than the old average because we're adding 10 people in with a higher average. Okay. Finally, question 9. Is this a bar chart or a histogram? Can anybody tell me? Okay. Histograms are usually linked together and they're done in intervals, okay? Bar charts are separate, discrete data. Do you understand? Okay, survey of 82 households. The bar chart represents the number of people in each of those households. Is number of people discrete data? Is 82 households discrete data? You either have a household or you don't. There's no 81.3 households. Okay, you either have one or you don't. Now, so it's discrete data. Draw a frequency distribution table. So what it wants me to do is draw one of these. How many do I need it for? All the way from 2 to 8. This is a bit 9, but there we are. So, okay, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is a number, our value, and this is frequency. What's frequency, guys? How many do we have? 14, 24, 20, 10, 8, 4, and 2. Can anybody tell me what's a checking mechanism to make sure you're correct? What happens when I add all of these? Should add to 82. Does it add to 82? 34 plus 20, 54. 54 plus 10, 64. 64 plus 8, 70. 72. 72 plus 6. Let's go again. Sorry, 38, 58, 68, 76. 76 plus 6 is 82. So, odds are that we're correct, okay? Please do that check every time when you're doing your leaving cert. Just make sure you're correct before you do any other work. Now, hence or otherwise find the median and the mode. We have 82 people. Who's the middle people or person? 41 and 42. So you can do like a little chart here like this. Can anybody tell me what I'm doing here? Sorry? Sorry, I made a mistake there. Anybody else tell me why I'm doing this? Okay, here's the way I'm thinking of this, alright? This is a very easy way. The first 38 people got 3 and below. The first 58 people got 4 and below. In between 38 and 58, what numbers are located in there? The 41st and the 42nd person are located there. So that means that they happened in as number 4. Anybody get that? Or as in 14 people got 2, 38 people got 3 or 2, 58 people got 4, 3 or 2. But we know that 38 people got 3 and below, so that attributes the 39th position all the way to the 58th position. belongs to the number 4. So hence, when you're talking about the median being 41, the 41st and 42nd, you're talking about it being in number 4, the median. Okay. What's the mode? The mode is 3, which has 24 people. Okay. Find the mean number of people in each household. How do we find the mean again? Huh? Multiply them out. 28 plus 72 plus 80 plus 50 plus 48 plus 28 plus 16, all divided by 82. What you get for that? When you added them all up and divided by 82. Anybody got that one right? So that question was too hard for anybody in this classroom. Does somebody mind adding it up now? Sorry, what you get for the top number? Or did you just divide it right in, did you? So 3.92. Now, sorry, I skipped the part 4. Part 3 wants to know the total. What's the total again? The total is all of these added together. There's a shortcut there. What can I do? I can multiply 82 by what number to get the total? By 3.92. Why doesn't that go unevenly, guys? Was it rounded off? Sorry? So there's 321 people, is there? 322 people? Okay. There's 322 people. Sorry, that's what Connor said earlier. 322 people when added together. And it's 322 people divided by 82 to give you the mean. Total score, total number of people divided by number of households. Comment on the fact that the survey did not record any one-person households. One-person household is, I suppose, still considered a household. Therefore, it should be relevant. And then, why didn't they get any 9-person households? Maybe in the sample of 80 people they took, there was no house with 9 people. 9 people is a rather large number. It's very rare, so yeah, it can happen, but it's not always the case.